If you are looking for the best bathroom dehumidifier,
here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
Number 1. Most popular, Vremi 1500 square foot dehumidifier. Securing second place as our runner-up, we have a Vremi dehumidifier which features an exceptional 30-pint water tank. This model successfully removes up to 30 pints of moisture from the air every day, making it very effective for any small to medium-sized room, including wet rooms. This dehumidifier is slightly larger than the other units we've reviewed, but we think it makes the perfect choice if your bathroom is consistently wet and humid, or you simply have a larger bathroom. Number 2. Eva-dry EDV 1100 Electric Petite Dehumidifier. When it comes to affordability, rare are there Peltier technology compact dehumidifiers that could beat the price of this bathroom dehumidifier. And the low cost is not the only excellent thing about it. Let's check out the other features. One of the first things to notice about this compact unit is certainly its dimensions. Measuring only 6.5 inches by 5.3 inches by 8.5 inches, this is one of the smallest mini dehumidifiers we've tested so far. This also means that this mini dehumidifier is very lightweight and easy to move around bathrooms. Number 3. Ivation IVAD M35 Electric Dehumidifier. Progressing down this list, we have this Ivation unit that also utilizes the thermoelectric Peltier module technology. This compact yet powerful dehumidifier removes up to 20 ounces of moisture from the air per 24 hours of operation. It reaches its optimal efficiency at a temperature of approximately 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees centigrade, and a relative humidity level of around 80%. The capacity of this model's water tank is 68 ounces. This unit is slightly larger than other units on test, with its dimensions of 14.1 by 7.2 by 9.6 inches, as well as its medium weight of 6.85 pounds. Number 4. Pure Enrichment PureDry Deluxe Dehumidifier. Pure Enrichment Premium is also among the smallest bathroom dehumidifier units that we had a chance to put our hands on. Let's see how it fared in our test. One of the best things about this simple dehumidifier is its quiet operation. It has a whisper quiet motor, noise-free, which will allow you to put it in your bedroom when you're not using it in your bathroom. A quiet motor is always a big plus in our book, and we would definitely recommend this dehumidifier if you're looking for a quality, quiet dehumidifier above everything else. Number 5. SEAVON New Electric Dehumidifier. It won't come as a surprise to anyone that is at least a bit familiar with dehumidifiers that SEAVON makes an appearance on our list. Their small bathroom model is excellent in areas of up to 110 square feet and pumps up to 9 ounces or 250 milliliters of moisture from the air in the span of every 24 hours. The capacity of its water container is 16 ounces or 500 milliliters, so you will need to remove and empty the tank about once every 2 days.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.